In the state of Oregon, we have been practicing some form of sustainability since 1994. And I say some form because, again, it has evolved, it's been defined differently, but the discipline has been there. And what that has meant for the Department of Transportation is we've integrated sustainability in our policies and our programs and our practices. We have a cross-discipline team because at ODOT we believe that this is an all-in strategy. You don't do this as a hobby. We've seen successes on a lot of different fronts. Let me just name three specific areas. First, in terms of our fleet, what we have done, aggressively pursued an anti-idling effort. It's technology. What we see is for a very small stand down, about 5 minutes a day, you can realize a 1% savings in idle reduction. That has about a $16,000 financial savings for the department. So something that's not very onerous at all. Yields the benefit not only in terms of the economic bottom line, but the environmental bottom line. We've also seen the use of fuels, whether it's ethanol, whether it's biodiesel. We set a goal of 25% biodiesel use. It's the B20 equivalent. Currently, we stand at 37%. Now, again, another learning process as you get into areas with weather and temperatures that drop during the winter months. Again, we adjust. We've learned from that. But again, another savings. We've also seen benefits in facilities. I'll tell you a story about one tunnel we have in Southern Oregon. A very simple trade-out from standard lighting to induction lighting. Another savings of about $15,000 a year, that specific project, and more importantly, a savings of about 150,000 pounds of CO2 not being emitted into the atmosphere. And recycling or reuse of materials. What we have seen at ODOT is a significant effort to reuse asphalt pavement, to reuse concrete, to reuse metals. Tons, 50,000 tons per year, just in our bridge projects alone, yielding benefits from the financial side, but also on the environmental side in terms of the land use, the waste. We're not seeing that. So in those three simple areas, and we have a host of other examples that play themselves out from the administrative side, from just basic paperwork reduction, to the projects that we deliver for Oregonians across the state. We've seen, again, a benefit that comes to Oregonians in terms of the economy and in terms of the environment. Sustainability, again, is something that you don't play as a hobby. You must be disciplined, engage it, embed it in the way you do business, and I believe there's return on that investment.